What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel, guys. You already know it's your girl Lisa. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. On my channel, I cover beauty hacks, lifestyle, and DIY topics, guys. But in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to
save yourself from looking bald, okay? I'm gonna show you how to save yourself from looking bald.
save your wigs, guys. You don't have to throw them out. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I fix my bald lace wigs. Okay, guys, we pay a lot of money for these wigs, so we can't be throwing them out.
The time is 7:35 a.m. I hope you have a good morning.
So guys, it's 7:35 a.m. If you hear some cars zooming by, it's pretty busy outside right now, so don't pay that any mind. So unless you have some needles that can actually pull your hair back into your lace, or you know a specialist you can send it off to get it fixed, you can do that. But for me, I don't. So for today, I'm gonna be fixing it on my own. I'm gonna be using some nail glue and some hair from a bundle. So I literally just cut these from my bundles, guys, and I'm gonna be using it to fill my bald spot. Yeah, so it's workable. So to start off, I'm gonna just be finding the part that I'm working with, and I'm literally just gonna be filling all this spot right here. I'm gonna zoom in so you can actually see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so let's get into it. So I'm just gonna be using my scissors to even out the root part. After gluing the hair down, I'll be going back in with my comb to ensure that I remove any hair that wasn't glued to the lace. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did learn something today, don't forget to click that subscribe button, okay? Why am I whispering? I don't know. So if you guys definitely enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Because your girl gonna hook you up with some more tips and tricks, okay? Stay safe, guys.
Toodaloo.